Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we have a truly magical explainer for you. It is a journey right into the dawn of a brand new era. Long ago, proud Byzantium actually yielded to the raw power of young Rus. Well, today, a very similar monumental shift is happening right before our eyes in technology. Nvidia has issued a massive historical challenge to the world. They just released a brand new, absolute giant of a model, and it is called Cosmos 3. Now, you might be wondering what makes this so special. Well, Cosmos 3 is not just some pretty video generator that conjures simple illusions. No, it is a true physical AI-based model. It actually calculates gravity, it understands momentum, and it processes light. It is literally designed to one day control physical robots out in the real world. Section 1. Weaving the Twin Towers, the Dual Transformer Architecture. Much like ancient sages created an alphabet to finally organize the chaos of the world, this model uses a brilliant dual transformer. Two incredibly powerful neural network towers operate deep within the system. The left tower handles all the simple, understandable text. Meanwhile, the right tower brings to life video, sound, and real-world physics. And much like the ethereal goddess Koschei, the AI seamlessly weaves all these streams together into one beautiful golden thread. Section 2. Trial of Video Memory, the Hardware Test. We absolutely had to touch this magic for ourselves. Our faithful home spirit, the Domovoy, guarded our reliable local Ubuntu server. We used a really solid RTX 6000 graphics card, which gives us 48 gigabytes of VRAM. But oh wow, even the most compact nano version of this model turned out to be as heavy as the giant Svyatogor. Our server instantly collapsed right under the weight, running entirely out of memory. So to tame this absolute beast, we had to call upon the mighty hero, Ilya Muromets. We borrowed a gigantic, enterprise-grade H100 server card. This magnificent shield of technology holds a massive 80 gigabytes of VRAM, which is what we needed to even stand a chance. And with all this immense power, the model finally launched successfully. We used a simple Gradio web interface to speak directly with it. It was amazing. Like the swift winged dog Cyber-Rus, it got to work incredibly quickly. It happily consumed up to 36 gigabytes of VRAM, all while dreaming up a totally perfect red retro car sitting right under a sunset. Section 3. Testing the magic illusions, successes, and glitches. We decided to push the model hard, taking it right into a hot Australian desert, and then straight into a rainy night. But naturally, ancient spirits began to interfere. The red earth and the deep engine sounds, they were beautifully realistic. But then the flaws started to appear. An artificial hum kind of infected the video. And then the evil swamp spirit Kikimora intervened in our neon city, adding these totally unnatural raindrops to the glass. Out in the desert, the wind god Stribog summoned strange cyber eagles, and they just appeared awkwardly right out of nowhere. So the grand illusion of the mighty water spirit Vodinoi was not entirely effective. The model is incredibly powerful, absolutely. But it definitely has its limits right now. Currently, it can really only generate very short videos. Sustaining all of this complex magic for longer periods remains a pretty big challenge for the future. Section 4. Corporate Rules and Restrictions, the Dark Ward. Right at the end of our trials, we asked the model to draw a stern astronaut in the jungle and a beautiful portrait of a red-haired Irish girl. But suddenly, a wily dark sorcerer appeared. Corporate Koschei threw a thick gray veil right over her face. You see, the license strictly prohibits generating real human faces. Nvidia fiercely protects its algorithms with these strict guardrails, so you absolutely must carefully read all licenses before any commercial use. Section 5. Sovereign Digital Future Arrives, Local Deployment. We have finally touched the true digital future of Cyber-Rus. Neural networks are no longer just drawing lifeless images for us. They actually understand physics. And very soon, they will control real machines out in the world. And the best part is, these incredibly powerful models are becoming available for your very own home. Be sure to subscribe to our updates, become a channel sponsor, and let us continue to explore all of this magic together. Sovereign technologies bring incredible, totally tangible benefits to every single home. An incredibly bright, independent future has already arrived and it is running locally on our very own servers today. So I want to leave you with this final, exciting thought. As this powerful magic enters your domain, what kind of independent future will you build on your own server?